You cannot go back and change the beginning, but you can change the ending. By C.S. Lewis. Good day, I am Janice Chiprolos, grade 12 Lavoisier, and I will be presenting to you my spoken poetry titled Facing Life. Facing life. I wake up each day and try again, even if I feel a little pain. Life is not always bright and clear, but I still choose to face my fear. Sometimes I fall and make mistakes, but that is how learning often takes. I stand back up and try once more, stronger than I was before. There are days I feel so sad, things go wrong and I feel bad, but I know the sun will shine, and soon enough I will be fine. I listen, study, and I grow. Little by little more I know. Life is a teacher, kind but tough. The lesson may be hard, but enough. I ask for help when things go wrong. With friends beside me, I feel strong. We face our lives, both big and small, and lift each other when we fall. Dreams can start from simple things, like hope that flies on the quiet things. I will not stop. I chase my light and keep walking through the night. So I face life with heart and smile, even if the road takes a while. One step, one day, I reach my way. I am learning more with every day.
I do not compare myself to others, for I know my parents did their best. They love me with all their hearts, and give me all that they possess. Their sacrifices were immense, their struggle hard to bear. They worked tirelessly for me, to make sure I had a lifetime without despair. They may not have had much, but what they had they shared. They gave me all the love they could, and show me that they care. So I do not look at others and wonder why I am not like them. For my parents did their best, and that's all matter in the end. I may not have all that I desire, but I have their love and support, and that is worth more than anything. For in them I have found my comfort. So I don't compare myself to others, for I know my parents had their best, and in their love I found my worth, and in their eyes I am truly blessed.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Narito po ako para i-representa ang aking ginawang tula. At ang pamagat ay buwan. Buwan. Ikaw ang ilaw sa tahimik kong gabi. Tahimik ka pero ang tinig mo sa dibdib ko ay umuukit. Sa bawat sulyap ko sa madilim na langit, naririnig ko ang bulong mo. Kaya mo pa, huwag bibitaw. Buwan. Maraming gabi na nagtanong ako, bakit ang sakit ay kailangan? Bakit iniwan ako ng mga bituin? Ngunit ikaw, nanatili. Hindi ka umalis. Hindi mo ako tinagugan. Buwan. Saksi ka sa bawat luha, sa sigaw na ako lang ang nakarinig. Sa pangarap na muntik na mawala, nariyan ka nakamasid para bagang sinasabi, anak, tulog ka na. Bukas may liwanag. Buwan. Maraming nangumaling sa iyong ganda, maraming nakatunganga sa iyong liwanag. Ngunit sa likod ng iyong ningning, nadala mo ang sariling dilim, kagaya ko. Pilit kumikislap, ngunit may lungkot na ayaw maglaho. Buwan, salamat. Sa tuwing ako ay nag-iisa, ikaw ang paalala. Sa likod ng dilim, may liwanag na nangaantay. Kung ako'y mabuwal, ikaw ang gabay. Sa gabi ng pangungulila, sa gabi ng tahimik na puso, ikaw, buwan, ang aking pahinga.
So, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Nandito po ako upang mapresenta ng aking spoken poetry. So, simulan ko na po. Tagu-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan. Wala sa likod, wala sa harap. Pagbilang ko 3, nakatago na ako. 1, 2, 3. Pero bakit magtatago pa ako kahit nasa harap mo na ako? Di mo pa rin nakita ang halaga ko? 4, 5, 6, kahit sa'yo ay laging nakatingin, ngunit di mo pa rin pinapansin. 7, 8, 9, magpapatuloy pa ba ako? Sa pagbilang o titigil sa pagparamdam dahil sakit lang ang pinaparamdam. 10 sa huling pagbilang. Nasubukan kong panindigan, magpaghintay ko sa iyo'y walang hanggan. Kahit sakit lang ang maranasan, tagu-taguan. Ikaw ang laman ng puso't isipan. Kahit ikaw sa akin ay walang pakialam, ikaw pa rin ang mamahalin, magpakailanman, tagu-taguan. That's all. Thank you.